Whew, all right, the work continues on the yard. I'm gonna get ready to install that. Well, not install, but I have a sprinkler system in the front yard already. So what? Let me show you. I didn't want this camera where the dogs are gonna hit it. Put you right here. See if that works. Yeah. So I have the sprinkler system already. All right. So I have the sprinkler system already running down here, and I was gonna tap into the wires and run a new control system in the backyard, way towards the end over there. But instead, I have a couple valves here for the front yard, and that I don't use. So what I think I'm gonna do is just branch off of those valves, run my piping all the way back. So run my water line that way, and I can just use the same control box. So I only have one box, not two. So that's my plan for this evening. Not to run the line or anything. My plan is actually to find the damn box, the valve box. Cause let me flip this. Take these gloves off quick. All right. So the valve box, there's the water line, is around here somewhere. Put you over here. So the water line is, or the valve box is around here somewhere. But this has been buried so much that I forgot where it's at. So that's my mission for this evening, and it's already 4 o'clock. I had a lot of running around to do today with the in-laws, so I was with them all day. I didn't get to work on the yard, so as long as I can find this box tonight, I'll be good. So wish me luck. Where's Charlie? Charlie, get over here. All right, I found it, guys. Found the what I think is the box. So I'm gonna have to keep looking. But hold on. Started here, right under the spigot, and just followed the line because that line went right there, up to the box, to the control box. So I just followed that. Kept digging, kept digging, kept digging little spots. Found the line there again. Kept digging, kept digging, kept digging. Then I found it there. I kept following it, and then I ran across this. So this is where I'm at now, but I think there's another brown box around here. So hold on. Here you go. I'm gonna have my baby record me. Anna's my camera girl today. Where's my glasses? I mean, my glasses, my gloves. Okay. I think there's another brown box in here. I gotta get out too, though. This thing hasn't been uncovered in years. Look at how deep it was. Hey, I ain't digging this for you. Yep, there it is. That's the valve right there, I think. Oh no, that's the power valve. I don't know what the hell that is. Anyways, I'll find the rest of it. It's around here somewhere. That's it for now. Thank you.
Are you gonna dig some more?
Yeah. All right, guys. So far, this is where I'm at. I got this all dug up as much as I could. And then I got the valve out, or not out, but I was testing it on the box. I opened the control box and I was testing it, and whew, it didn't work. That didn't work. As soon as I turned it on and I hit run on the control box, it said I could hear it click and then air. So inside the box, though, I still have the owner's manual. So I looked it up. What does air mean, and what is it? Because it said P airs and then one air. It just had air all over the screen. So I looked it up, and it said it had a faulty solenoid or a grounded wire, or or this or that. So I was just looking, I was like, well, shit, the whole thing's old. Been underground for 15 years, almost 16 years now. So I guess it's due for a change. So with that being said, I was going to tap into that and run it to the backyard, but being that I have to replace all that and I don't even use it anyways. So if I have to put it all new, I might as well just start it in the backyard and install a whole new system. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to close this one out, this sprinkler system, until I get going with the next one. But that was just me showing up today vlog, thinking about doing that, how Isaac says that Vlogtober, do that Vlogtober. I'm thinking about doing that. So maybe not every day, like you said, you know, just about showing up, being consistent. So if I could do one a day, that'd be great. But if I can't, I'm not gonna worry about it. I'm just gonna do what I can. Snippets here and there, you know. Clintus says the same thing, you know, just snippets throughout your day. It doesn't have to be the whole day, just pieces of your day. So this was pieces of it. I'm gonna get back at it. And no, actually I'm not. I'm wrapping it up. It's already gonna be 6:30 and I'm hungry. So Anna, you hungry? She's got her face buried in the tablet. She can't hear me. Anyways, I'm out. Let's go. Let's go eat something.